How to make homemade pizza. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make delicious homemade pizza that will rival any delivery. First, start by making the pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, yeast, salt, and sugar. Then, slowly add warm water and olive oil, and mix until the dough comes together. Next, knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Once the dough is ready, cover it and let it rise for an hour. While the dough is rising, prepare your pizza toppings. You can use classic ingredients like tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni, or get creative with your favorite toppings. After the dough has risen, divide it into individual portions and shape them into round discs. Now it's time to assemble your pizza. Roll out the dough, spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, sprinkle on your desired toppings, and don't forget the cheese. Finally, bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, homemade pizza made easy. Enjoy your delicious creation.